Do you guys know what time it is? It's time to do the Sephora Play unboxing. This is this month's bag, and you know what? I gotta say, this is my last one. I can't believe it either. But I have made the decision that I'm no longer going to purchase the Sephora Play box because I'm disappointed every month, and I don't want to spend $10 on something that I don't look forward to and don't like get excited about. Half the time I get stuff that I already have, and it's just not worth it for someone like me who has the quantity of makeup that I have. Like, if you don't have a lot of makeup, it's great because you get to try all these different stuff, but like for me, I have a lot right now, and so it's just, I don't know. Plus, I don't feel like I get as good things as some other people do. Like, I've seen other people's boxes and I'm like, why did I not get that? Like, that's the bomb. Like, especially some of the stuff that I could have gotten this month, I was a little disappointed. Like, some people got some way better stuff. So yeah, and this basically is a $10 a month box, you know. Basically, this is a $10 a month box. You supposedly like give your preferences and they give you stuff that are supposed to go with you, but I don't think that they do because half of the stuff I wouldn't like pick for myself. It's whatever though. Well, let's just jump on in. The first thing that I'm pulling out, well, let's see what this month's theme is. It says feel the love. This month we're celebrating the beauty we love, the beauty loves we just can't live without. Like, oh so flattering lipstick and skincare that dreams are made of. And the big like hype of this month was that you were getting 2 lip products. But what they didn't tell you was that one of them was, or at least one, if not both of them, were Sephora collection. Not that there's anything wrong with Sephora collection, but like Sephora has so much more than that, and like half the time these are 100-point perks, so they're just giving you like the same thing that you could already have, like, or you could get for your points. But that's okay. The first one that we have is Sephora Collection Rouge Matte Lipstick in Rebel Chic. I feel like I already have this one. Let's take a look. I do not. I have a different red that is in like the Rouge Cream one, not the matte one. So that's good, I guess, that like for once they sent me something that I have already. Because I mean, you guys have seen in the past like stuff that I've gotten from them, and it's like I'm like, oh, I already have this. Can I give it to my sister? Oh, I already have this. Like at least 2 items each box has been like that. And so is it really worth it if you're only getting 3 products that you don't have each month for $10? And they're small, like they're not like you could never get a full size anything. Oh, and even better, like it came smashed. Can you guys see that? Focus. Focus. It came smashed on the tip. Whatever, we'll put it on. It's not very opaque. Bless you. It's okay. If you have any kind of dryness like I do, you can see that it clings to that. I wouldn't consider this matte at all. But it says that it's a super matte yet ultra conditioning lipstick in a flattering, long-lasting berry shade. Well, it's definitely berry. I'm just trying to like build up the color. But there we have it. I mean, I'm not entirely disappointed with this one, I guess. It's not like, I guess I should look at this with a better attitude and like not expect it to suck. So I'm gonna try that. What I like about this, the color is not bad. It's kind of cute, I guess. It was easy to apply and it's buildable coverage. What I don't like about it, it clings to my dry spots. Oh, it is comfortable. It doesn't look matte like it's supposed to, like it's called. And I don't know, it seems to be like smearing. Can you guys tell? I don't know. The next thing, we're just gonna pull something out here. Okay, we got the Moisture Eye Balm by Belief. It is 5 milliliters. The full size, I can tell you because I have it, is The full size is 25 milliliters. So you're getting like a fifth of the full size. And no, I didn't purchase that because, I don't know, I just didn't. They just sent it to me like on accident in one of my orders one time. And I was like, okay, whatever. But this is kind of small, but it is just an eye balm. You can see though, like the difference, and like it looks bigger than it actually is. Like there's like quite a gap there. But I guess we'll swatch it and see. And there's like a barcode on the side as if it was like a point perk. It is more moisturizing than I expected it though. It's like slightly heavier feeling than I thought it was gonna be. It smells good. It's not bad. It says it's a lightweight eye cream for a boost of moisture and refreshed looking eyes. Why, I love it. Whether you're feeling tired or dehydrated, a few dabs of this botanical infused formula will revive the area around your eye for a firmer appearance. It's also great prep for makeup application. Okay. Whatever. As for your eyes that have makeup on, I'm not gonna put it on right now. Sorry. Maybe tonight. And I can like leave a little note and tell you how it was. We'll see. If I remember. The next thing is, we'll go with this one. Oh, well, one fell out, so we'll go with that one. The Fresh Sugar Lip Treatment in Rosé. I think I have this one. Do I have this one? This is what it looks like. You get a decent amount of product in there considering like it's just a chapstick like lip balm. They smell really good and they're really hydrating. I just don't think that they like save my lips as much as I want them to because the only one that I think is like amazing is the brown one, which is the like Advanced Therapy or something like that. But that one's the bomb. Like that one's amazing. I'm sorry if this like dryness irritates you because it's irritating me and I'm just sorry. But it says, what does it say? It has SPF 15, which is that nice. So it says an SPF infused balm in a subtle rosy tint that protects and conditions lips all day. Why you love it? This balm is a must-have for healthy, supple lips. Sugar acts as a natural humectant to lock moisture in, while jojoba and black currant seed oil nurture and heal. Bonus points if you leave lips awash in an It leaves lips awash in an alluring rosy hue. Whatever. I have lipstick on. I mean, I guess I can take this off, but my lips are gonna be stained anyways. Okay, we'll buy it, I guess. So this kind of pink definitely isn't my everyday color, like it's not something that I want to wear. But I mean, it's pretty nonetheless, and I'm sure it would look good on some skin types. It's just not for me. It does feel nice though. And next we have the La Mercier Rose Gold Caviar Stick Eye Color. So it's the Caviar Stick Eye Color in Rose Gold. A long-lasting creamy eyeshadow stick in a shimmering pink champagne shade that delivers a subtle sweep of color. Why you love it? This easy-to-use eyeshadow stick is perfect for highlighting the corners of your eyes and along your brow bones, or adding a hint of color to your lids, just enough to make your eyes sparkle. Pretty sure I already have this one. Yeah, there we have it. I already have it. We'll put it on though for you guys. I really like the formula of these actually, so if you're someone that doesn't have these already, this would have been something really nice to get. But we'll just pop a little bit on my inner corner. The only thing that's like, this would look really nice on like a darker skin tone, but I'm too light for this to be like an inner corner brightening. Like it's too deep for me for that. Can you see? I think it's a pretty color right there, but it's too deep for an inner corner highlight for me. It's really nice all over the lid though, and I've used it on the bottom lash line a lot. It's really pretty there. I definitely like that one, so I'm like, that one's not too bad, I guess. I don't know, maybe I won't cancel Sephora Play. I don't know, it's like this month is kind of, it's not too bad, especially if you don't have some of these things. I don't know, I gotta think about it some more. The last makeup-y kind of product, which really isn't even a makeup-y product, is the Pharmacy Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm with Echinacea Green Envy. It says, it's melt to be. A nourishing oil-based cleansing balm that clears away makeup gently and leaves skin smooth. I have seen this at work, and I'm not the biggest fan of it. It's definitely waterier than some of the other makeup balms that I've used. And it just took that eyeshadow pencil thing that I had right off. So, I really like the Clinique Take the Day Off one, and I like the It Cosmetics Bye Bye Makeup, I think is what it's called. I have both of those, and I like them a lot. But, this one, I guess it's okay. It's, it says washing your makeup off at night shouldn't involve stripping your skin. This super gentle balm features sunflower oil and ginger root to clear away residue while moisturizing and nourishing. Okay, newsflash, you can't just use this to cleanse your skin. It's gonna leave stuff like makeup behind. You need to go in afterwards. It's just designed to take makeup off, but you need to go in afterwards and make sure you get everything off. Don't just wipe it away. That's not gonna clear it. You really need to wash your face. Wash your face. What? Anyways, but this is a very small size too, considering. I don't know. Next thing that we got is they finally took something into consideration for once. They brought back, at least for this month, a fragrance. You all know that for the new year, Sephora was like, oh no, we're gonna give you other samples, and I think like last month we got like a hair mask, or I got a hair mask, but like. No, I want my fragrance every month. Like, what? So this month, I got one of my favorites, too. It's the Chloe. Just the regular Chloe. It says it's a classic scent that combines rose and peony to embody the confident, free-spirited woman. Chloe is a fashion house based in Paris and founded in 1952. The brand designs are known for their feminine and carefree romanticism. That just tells me about the brand. It doesn't tell me anything about the product. I will spray it for you though, because I like it a lot. Oh, I love it. It's florally, it's just what I like, and I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. It's one of my favorites. It's so nice. But I guess this month wasn't all that bad. Like, other people got though like a NARS lippy, like one of the Ultra Satin lips, and it's whatever. Let me look and show you like what some of the other people got. Sephora, Play, February, even though that's not how you say it, it's how I need to say it and I sound out. So everyone got 2 lippies basically. You could get either the Sephora liquid lip in the red shade, which I already have, I've gotten in the past multiple times. That's a really nice formulation. It's just really tiny, the one that they send you. You could get the Fresh Sugar Lip Treatment, which is the one that I got. You could get a Sephora Collection gloss, which I wouldn't have been mad at honestly, because I've been really into gloss lately. You could get the NARS, like, Ultra Satin Lip, Satin, something like that. I like those a lot. The formula is really nice. I would have been very pleased to get one of those. You could get a Makeup Forever lipstick, which I have. I'm pretty sure I have the one that they keep sending. Yeah, in M500. It's like the red one that everybody talks about. Or the Sephora one that I got. So, there's quite a variety at least that you could get, but it kind of stinks when I feel like I'm getting the same ones over and over and over again. And I heard that one of the boxes got like 2 of the Sephora ones. Like they didn't even get one of the higher end ones. So that kind of sucks. And then for the eyes area, you could have gotten one of 3 different colors of Lancome Drama Leaky pencil. You could get a blue one, a black one, or a brown one. You could get a Smashbox eyeshadow duo in Golden Hour, which I believe is the one that I got in the past. It's like the same 2 middle shades of one of the palettes that I already have. The Laura Mercier Caviar Stick, which is the one that I got. Lancome Monsieur Big, like that would have been a really nice thing to get mascara. I already have it, but like that would have been something really nice to get because it's a small one. And they say that small versions of mascaras are always better than like full size ones. You could have gotten a Clinique Pretty Easy Liquid Eyelining Pen. I would have lived for that. That is like my favorite eyeliner right now. Like I use it. I got it I think in a BOXYCHARM. It's amazing. Like it is bomb. Or lastly, Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. Like come on, that's amazing. Like I wish they would do stuff like that's more like discovery type of stuff. Like oh hey, here's something that not a lot of people use. Check this out. Like just like I feel like they could have done a different mascara than the Better Than Sex one, which is fine. Like if you don't have it already, but a lot of people do. For skincare, you could have gotten the pharmacy one like I did, which is the makeup remover. The Peter Thomas Roth Firm X, I would have died for. Like, that is an amazing exfoliator. Like, you rub it on your skin and it takes away your dead skin cells. Like, you feel them peeling. I mean, I don't know if it's just the gimmick, it might be, but I like it. And you could have gotten the First Aid Beauty Ginger and Turmeric Vitamin C Jelly Mask. A mask? Like, what? That's a new one too. Like, that was something we just got at Sephora, so that's nice. Or the Believe Moisturizing Eye Balm. And then the bonuses this month were all fragrances. They're finally getting it together with the fragrances. You know what? I wish they would send like a blush. Like, that would be amazing if they sent a blush or like a bronzer or something like that. Like a highlighter. But yeah, that's this month's Sephora Play Box. So like, I got some goodies, I guess. Like, can't complain too much, you know. But I don't know. I might get rid of it. I might not. We'll just have to see. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you like videos like this where I'm doing unboxing and like talking about what you could get or may have gotten. Just so you can kind of see like if you should get this too. I know like this was kind of different than the ones I've done in the past because I talked about other things that you could have gotten and whether or not I'm going to keep this or not. And I haven't quite decided yet. I have a couple more days. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Never hit that like button if you like videos like this and subscribe on your way out the door. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!